Hey y'all, welcome to JDUB-Woodworks. So for all of you folks that are getting ready for the fall, or perhaps you're just a DIYer or a crafts person, you might have some pieces of old driftwood or heck even some wood off your tree that looks a little bit like this. So you're kind of limited on what you can do with these, but you can make candle holders and stuff. But today I'm gonna split these in half and then carve out the inside and make some really beautiful candy dishes or just little bowls really. But it's a pretty simple process. I'm gonna walk you through it. We're gonna make a little bit of a mess today, not too bad, but I'll show you the whole process. Okay, let's go. So here's the three dishes that we made out of the driftwood, just little shallow candy dishes or whatever. And then I've got three different types of oil that we're going to use for the finish. Okay, so first I have got this raw linseed oil. This is from Linsheen. I ordered this off of Amazon. I've got a link in the description below. Got Minwax tung oil. You've seen me use this before on other projects. That's also linked below. And then I have got some beeswax right here from Cargin. So I also got this on Amazon. All right, so I'm just gonna apply the first coat on the linseed oil with the dry rag. You know, I'm being pretty generous, but I try to evaluate whether that wood is going to really soak it up or not and come back with a second coat, maybe a third coat, but honestly for this I think I'll be fine with one. Tung oil, also same thing applies there, and it goes on a little bit darker, has a little bit of an amber hue to it, but not much. And then the beeswax. So beeswax, tung oil, and the linseed oil all have a fantastic finish, as you can tell here. I really try to preserve the natural coloring of the wood, and linseed oil can, depending on the wood that you're using, it may over time darken it just a little bit, but not much. And then of course there's the tung oil and from Minwax and the beeswax. I can also go back over each one of these if I wanted to and apply a polyacrylic. The reason why I say the polyacrylic, even though it's water-based, it's not going to change the color from whether I'm using the tung oil or the linseed oil or the beeswax. I can always go back and put the polyacrylic as an extra shine if I want it. For this project, I feel pretty good the way they are. I mean, this is kind of makes an easy gift, though, if you ever wanted to use it that way. And so it wouldn't be Halloween without some candy, so this makes for a great fall gift. I hope you've enjoyed. Make sure and like, subscribe, hit me up, comment, and share. Y'all take care.